guys, I'm Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. Well, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe and press the ring button so that you receive the notifications whenever I upload any videos. Well, I'm so happy and overwhelmed for the response that you guys gave for my first video. It's so inspiring that you guys welcome me with such warm hearts and keep supporting me, guys, because this inspires me to make more videos in the future. So big thank you to all of you out there. Well, moving on, let me guess, are you in quarantine? How do I know it? Well, we all are, and if you're not, then please do it, because life gets better. So here are 8 things that you can do before the quarantine ends. So here we go. Stay connected. Well, it's a pandemic situation right now, and if you're a person who is staying away from your family, then I insist you guys to kindly get connected to them through your phone calls or by doing video calls, because this is a situation which makes you feel alone. You need to get connected to your parents, which is very necessary, because those are your sources, in the sense those are someone who uplifts your energy. Keep sharing and make sure that you don't get any panic attacks during this process. And also you can just communicate with your parents and get back to your old days, or get back to your parents memories, old memories, so that reminds you of certain things which you can't spend in your whole time, because this duration is something which really helps you to know more about anyone. It may be your parents, it may be your loved ones, it may be anyone. So talk a lot, play with them, eat with them, so that this makes you feel much better and you don't end up feeling bored at the end of the day. Stay connected to whoever you are around rather than being alone.
Sanitize within, without.
So since it is a pandemic, it's so important for us to keep our body very clean and hygienic, also the surroundings. If you are clean within and if you're facing something outside which you feel odd about, then it's not a good feeling. Take bath, drink lots of water, eat healthy, and make sure that you're not making sure your surroundings is dirty or make yourself being procrastinated, that you're not keeping yourself clean. You sanitize it in and around so that you don't end up with any of the blunders in the future which may incur. So yeah, that's it.
Work from home and at home.
So for people who are carrying out their office works at home, it's so important for you to work even at house. When we are being at office, we highly insist ourselves to be at home. And now that we are being at home, it's so important for us to carry out the other activities as well. Procrastination is the biggest threat that can end up with anyone out there. So indulge yourself into the everyday activities which you carry out at your home. Help your mom do the things what you love to do, and make sure that it's not only your office work which is stuffed inside your routines every day, but you can implement a lot of things in and around you which makes you happy instead. And don't keep that only for your weekends, but carry out throughout your weekdays.
Be creative.
While quarantine has helped us to gain a lot of time, having said that, what is the maximum availability of yourself which you're putting forth into this time is really important. Invest a lot of time with yourself and do something creative which makes you feel happy. For example, you can cook, you can work out, you can have drawings, you can do a lot of things in this space. But make sure you're not repeating again and again during this process, because if you're a person who cooks everyday meal and you end up having the same old impression, then that's not called creation. You have to recognize what you really love to do, because it's high time that we come up into this conclusion that yes, I do have time and I can do anything which is possible in my space. Being creative is so important that you put yourself into something which you're not, and the outcome what you get out of it may be good or bad, but at least you have tried doing something and you're being creative at it. So do something which you have not done before, so that you use the maximum time in this space.
check in before you check out.
So since it is quarantine, we have a lot of time, and it is also the time to be careful and cautious about the most confidential passwords that you have, maybe for your banks or maybe even for your social media. It may be your all Instagram, Facebook or Snapchat or any other social media. So make sure that you have an eye towards the passwords and account is not being hacked in any ways. Same goes with your bank accounts. Make sure that you have a check-in about all of the details. So once all the lockdown has been eradicated, you don't end up with any negative hazards. I'm just insisting about the bank accounts as well as your social media accounts. But apart from that, anything which is confidential, make sure that you have an eye over it, because safety is very important and certain times we end up forgetting it. So I highly insist you to have a check-in throughout all of this before the lockdown ends.
Eat clean and sleep on time.
This is one of the important things that we need to carry out in this quarantine, because we have to implement discipline, guys. If you don't have a proper eating habit or a proper sleeping habit, your entire routine is being disastered. Whatever you eat right. I understand that many people do cook a lot of things and be creative about your cooking habits. You indulge yourself with your taste buds, but it's so important for us to look and take care of our body, because if you're not clean and if you're not eating healthy, then you have a vast impact with your body and with your feelings. It's inversely proportional. And when it comes to your sleeping habits, make sure you have a proper routine. Discipline is the biggest key to indulge into your eating as well as your sleeping habits. When you know when you have to sleep, you end up going to your bed. Or when you know when you have to eat or what you have to eat, then it reflects with your body. So your eating and sleeping habits are very important to be carried out in this lockdown duration.
Planning and structuring.
So if you are a person who wanted to end up going to a trip in this quarantine, or you wanted to do something which was really important but you couldn't do it, then it's time for you to plan it. And if you have already planned it, then make sure you have a structure so that once this lockdown has been ended fully, you end up doing it. No matter how much you try to crib upon or how much you try to sulk in, you end up being disappointed, which is not required. We always crib upon, man, I don't have time to do this, I don't have time to do that. But what else can you do in this lockdown, guys? If you're not productive now, then how can you be productive throughout your entire life? You have 24 hours in a day, and it's not just one day that is happening. It's like it's been more than a month right now, and you can execute it effectively once the lockdown is gone. So plan your things, put a structure, and wait for your execution.
Last but not the least, realization.
Take this time to reflect on your life, guys, because we forget ourselves. This is the time that you can invest a lot with yourself and see what you are as a person. Don't get impacted from the negative news that you get every day, or don't listen to people that brings out the negative vibe around you. Make sure you surround yourself with good people and realize that you're enough. You're enough as a person. When you're being with yourself, you discover something every day. This is outdated for some reason. A lot of times we don't give importance to ourselves. We say that we give importance, but at the end of the day we end up losing with some thoughts or being stuck with some situation or anything that we are dealing in the past or in the future. So make sure that you're being in your present and live this moment rightly. So see that what is that is reflecting with your life and yourself in this situation. This quarantine is not the same for every one of us. Okay, there's a lot of things that has been hidden deeply, but when you discover yourself and put forth you in yourself and see what it is, then you realize something, and that clearly reflects in your being and with your energy, what you carry every day. So make sure that you live strongly and come out strongly in this phase. That's it from my end, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do like my video if you like it. If you have any suggestions, then please comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, and I love you all. Thank you so much. for watching. What else? Oh my god, I forgot.